Well, Chad Daybell is in court, and this is day 3 of jury selection. Imagine how hard it is to find jurors who've never heard of this case. It generated documentaries, headlines everywhere. It's expected to take at least a week to seat that jury, a process made challenging due to the high-profile nature. Well, our next guest knows all too well the challenges that the jurors will face in Chad Daybell's triple murder trial. He's Tom Evans, and he's juror number 18 in Lori Vallow Daybell's trial. An author of Money, Power, and Sex, a book which chronicles his experiences as the juror in that infamous trial. He joins us now. Tom, thanks so much. You've decided to attend Chad Daybell's trial, even though being a juror in Lori's trial really took a toll on you emotionally. So why are you willing to go through this again?
It did take a toll. It is emotional. But the reason I'm attending the Chad Daybell trial is because I want to follow it through, finish it off, and gather information for the second book that I'm doing that'll be more focused on this part of the case.
Are there answers that you're still looking for?
Definitely a lot of answers, and I think more will come out in this trial.
What? What specifically?
Well, I'd like to know more about the inner circle. I'd like to know if there were some people within the inner circle that maybe had some information, maybe knew what was going on. And there's just a lot of layers in this case, and there keeps being new questions. It just never ends.
Yeah. There was some really gruesome evidence and testimony in Lori's trial about how those kids died, about how they were dismembered and burned and buried. As a juror, you're not allowed to look away from those photos and those videos. That must have been really tough.
That was extremely hard. I just took the shortest glance possible, and then I did look away. I knew it was my duty to look, but I didn't really feel like I needed to see. I knew pretty well what I was going to see, and it wasn't good.
It's hard to believe a mother could allow that to happen to her children.
Hard to believe, hard to understand how she could do that.
Yeah. You've said that you can't unsee those. Those images will be with you for the rest of your life.
Yeah, even though I took the shortest glance possible, it's burned into my mind.
What evidence during Lori's trial stood out to you as the most convincing of her guilt?
It was really an accumulation of things. It was all circumstantial. There wasn't one thing that convinced me. But I have to say, it was listening to all the testimony and the different witnesses. I believed everything the police officers, the FBI, all of their testimony was extremely believable and damning for Lori. But the more character witnesses, her friends, people in her inner circle, were more the ones that convinced me that she was guilty.
Yeah. I covered this trial, and what struck me and so many others who were there in the courtroom was Lori's complete absence of remorse. She's dancing on the beach in Hawaii with Chad while her 2 kids are rotting in shallow graves. It's just so incomprehensible. What was she like watching her in court every single day, day in and day out during this trial?
It was infuriating to watch her like that, and especially now that I've gotten to know members of the family and, living victims. It was so insulting to them. And in court, she just, I never did hear her speak until the sentencing, when she said all the weird things that she said there. But during the trial, she never did speak. And she spent a lot of time just kind of looking to the side, looking away, the hair kind of covering half of her face.
All right, as you're watching these jurors get picked, I know that you were picked. You didn't know at the time that you were being picked for the Lori Vallow trial. You said some of the jurors, when they found out it was her case, actually began to cry when they found out they were picked for it. Why?
Well, I think we were all pretty shocked. Well, why is because it was going to be 8 weeks of trial, which was going to be a hardship for anybody. And we also knew that it was going to be a pretty severe case, and we were going to, be subjected to all of it.
Yeah.
So it wasn't really a happy time.
Tom Evans, Thank you so much for being here. Good luck sitting through trial number 2. And I'll be curious to see if anything comes up in this trial, as I'm sure you will be too, that we didn't already know from Lori's first case. But we'll be covering it, so I'm sure we'll talk to you again. Thanks so much. Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks so much for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.